guys, so today I'm gonna show you our digital planner. We have Happy Mind demo here, which you can try this digital planner free. No cost at all. You can try this first before you buy our digital planner. So here before I start, I'm gonna design my Happy Mind demo first and generate it. On all of this, we have two charts that you can pick. Okay, now let's start explore my Happy Mind demo here. I'm gonna start to my yearly overview here. This is our yearly overview, it's so pretty. And this is our year at glance. Now we have 12 options that you can try. Start from finance overview, priority matrix, chores plans, shopping list, reading, impulsive moment, visual board, habit tracker, exercise log, and we have 30-day challenge on it, and physical challenges, mood tracker, and behavior tracker. And if you are an Apple user, we have icon on the corner that you can click, like this. You can listen to your Spotify. Next, we have 5 different notes that you can try on here. And the more unique, this one. We have 1 until 10 section, which you can put your background on your digital planner. Next, we go to the monthly page. This is our monthly page. On the left side, we have week 1 until 6 that you can click. We have the reminders tool on here that you can click and go to the reminder app. And if you find interesting on our digital planner here, you can start click on it. Click on this icon and it will automatically go to the website. And you can start buying our digital planner here. So guys, I think that's all. See you on the next video. Bye bye, have a good day.